Hello, this is Claudia from Harmeta.ts, and in this quick tutorial I want to show you how you can open links from your menu in a new tab. So this is going to be very handy when you want to link to external websites such as your social media. So imagine you have a link to your Instagram, your Facebook, your Pinterest, or if you are linking to any other kind of website. Like imagine here in my website under do it yourself resources, I have this link that says watercolor clip arts, which is my shop selling my clip arts. But when we press, it's going directly to Creative Market. So we lost my domain, we lost my website, and it's not opening in a new tab so that when I close it, I return to my website. This is something we want to avoid because when a visitor is in our website and we redirect them to an external website, they will scroll through here, they will select something, maybe they buy something, maybe they don't, but once they close, they will not return to our website. So I'm going to show you how you can avoid this. Let's get back to my website and we're going to go to the WordPress panel. So here I am in my dashboard, and what you want to go, you want to scroll down and go to Appearance and Menus. Once you are here in menus, and I'm going to be using this as example, so I'm going to be opening my right menu, which is the section here. So I have my right menu and my left menu, and here on my right menu we will find the watercolor clip arts, right? So when we open these, we don't have any option to open in a new tab, but that's gonna change very easily. What we have to do is we have to scroll up to the top and select this option that says Screen Options, and here we want to click and enable these options. So now link target will be displaying. Now if we open this again, maybe we need to save the menu and refresh the page. Now when we open this, we have here the option to open link in a new window or tab. So simply we select this option, and I can do the same with these others that are going to YouTube and with my patterns. So all these three, I want them to open in a new tab. Now I'm gonna save my menu and we're gonna go back to my website, refresh it. And now if we open any of these links, for instance, video tutorials, it's opening in a new tab, right? So it works with all of them. And like this, we are not losing any potential visitors to our website, because when they finish going through all my patterns, they can simply close this tab and they will come back to my website. Okay, so I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.